Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a bank account in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you want to receive your YouTube or website earnings directly to your bank, this setup is really important. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside the dashboard, click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Now select Payment Info and look for the Add Payment Method option. Select Add Bank Account to continue. This is where you'll enter your banking details for direct payments. Now type your account holder name, bank name, account number, and other required information carefully. Depending on your country, you may also need a SWIFT code, routing number, or IFSC code. After checking all the details, click Save to add your bank account. If you have multiple payment methods, make sure your bank account is set as the primary payment option. Google will use this account for future payouts once your AdSense balance reaches the payment threshold. And always double-check your account number because incorrect details can delay or fail your payments. So that's how to add a bank account in Google AdSense in 2026. Once it's connected properly, your earnings can be sent directly to your bank automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.